What's up, guys? How's it going? Hello. Had to restart it twice, so if you were on YouTube, you probably saw the live start and then stop. Something was wrong with the stream key, but I fixed it. We'll start here shortly. Question stickers, throw them in the comment box, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Had a good weekend. Start about 45 seconds, guys. About 45 seconds. I'm broadcasting both on Instagram and YouTube, so if you prefer the horizontal format, you can jump over onto YouTube, guys. At Student Alpha is my YouTube. What's up, Brian? What's up, Annika? Yeah, Brian, looks like we might get a discount in gold here. We have a primary, we're in a primary read right now. Might be able to take it down to the box. We'll see, but I think buying out of the 4,500 box is going to be an option also. We'll talk about it. All right, guys, let's get started. Good morning. Happy June 1st. Halfway through the trading year and the 2026 year in general. Let's get into it. Again, questions, stickers, throw them in the comment box. We'll get started. Data today, 9:45 PMI, 10 o'clock ISM. The markets will react. I don't know how strongly, but we'll see. We'll see some wicks thrown around. Tomorrow, not much. Same thing, the final PMI and ISM on Wednesday, initial jobs claims on Thursday, and employment. I think that includes non-farm payroll on Friday. So Thursday, Friday is probably going to be more known catalyst. Of course, the unknown catalyst, guys, is deal with Iran, but now it's delayed because they don't know who's in control, and wash, rinse, and repeat. Although, rather than a coin toss, I think we're closer to a deal than not. So take that for what it's worth. Who knows? We're one tweet away from it falling all apart, guys. So just be protective of your position. So let's look at the oscillators. The NYMO, very neutral. You can see. The NAMO, so it's 20. And the VIX is probably, if I have to guess, 17. Let's look. I didn't look yet. 15. Holy shit. No protection in the market whatsoever. Yeah, absolutely no protection. So it means people are going along. All right. So we're going to get into the charts here, guys. Let me move this back over for Instagram. All right. So what I'm seeing, guys, since open last night for us, or nearly 15 hours ago. Is that right? Yeah, 6 p.m. last night. Yeah, 15 hours ago. Everything's rolling over. You can see this where it was very bullish. Now it's rolling over to bearish. So one of the benefits of the trend status here. So our next buy in ES is our primary read will be coming out of the box at 76.12. We're probably going to come down here and touch 7,600 for a potential decision. That may be a mild mean reversion level. We didn't clear the box that much. We're going to watch that in the war room. But those are our levels. We could see a bias flip rollover and drop if there are any negative news about further delay or blockade reinstituted or anything like that. RTY, the Russell 2000. We are completely short bias below this white line at 29.24. Remember what I talk about, guys? Shorts dropping down and then hitting the green box. It's not by accident that we tapped that green box and bounced a little bit, right? So again, our next long is actually way up here. A number of things have to happen. Our next short for a primary read, it never really gave the clean read. Of course, that'd be a short end of the box, and we can consider a long off of 2,900. So looks like maybe some box trading in ES and RTY. And of course, the NAS only goes up, although you can see the trend status. Everything's rolled over but the hour. Here's the hourly bias. guys. And you can see how the algorithm derives that, approximating where that 20 EMA is. If that 9 crosses that 20, it does flip our bias. The nice thing about the matrix, it does all the work for you. But if price is below bias, and it's not confirmed, right? We're still bullish, even though price, if you look at it on a 5-minute, is below bias. So right now in NAS, I like a VWAP touch and drop down for a short. Other than that, you just buy the fucking NASDAQ, right? Isn't that what it proves to be all? Again, question stickers, guys, throw them in the comment box. What's up, Rob? Threw in the Zoom link. Make sure you can grab it. All right. Let's look at YM. YM hasn't completely rolled over, but it's not surprising, is it, guys? The YM has seemed to run opposite to some of the other ones. So our next long in YM is going to be, that's the Dow, at about 51,250. See what the VWAP does here, and definitely off the box. So this primary read off the algorithm coming out of that green box. Beautiful. That primary read would pay 100 points. Let's see if we did 2901. It paid 270 points. So easily 100 points there. A great read off the matrix. Guys, that trade alone with one contract would have paid 1,000 points, $1,000. And people don't want to spend $89 to use the algorithm for a week. I can't help you guys. You got to spend money to make money, especially with the education level put into this thing. It's too expensive. Fuck. Okay. Can't help you. Keep sucking then. Keep sucking. Harsh, I've told Rob 755,000 times to do a support ticket, and I can't get him to do it. So Rob, look at chat. Harsh can help you out with this issue. But if you can't figure out how to do a support ticket, I've shown you. Grab Harsh HK04 and send him a DM on Instagram. I know you know how to DM on Instagram. Harsh, you got to take your time with this guy. He's a Canadian. You know how those guys are. We love you, Rob. But man, get a hold of Harsh. It's how it's going to get solved. All right. Rob's one of my friends and one of my traders, guys. Just busting his balls a little bit. All right. Gold really looks this look, guys. I bought this primary read last night. After open, we had this spike, this drop, and then rebound into a nice primary read. I took this, and then I took the loss. Oops, sorry, Instagram, you can't see it. I took this loss long from a long. I'm not upset about it because more than 80% of these reads mathematically will pay. So I accepted that. I was in the 20% loss structure there. And you can see we sold down. I think the next opportunity, and then look how this primary read short paid, and now we're in two back-to-back primary reads at the same level. So if you took this, you're above the VWAP, you're still in it. You might be able to grab your points to the top of the box. So again, taking a primary read here, we're within the threshold, guys. If you want to see if there's a second read available, that second read level, if you're not in it, is about 32. And then you can take 5 to 10 out of it into the box. But we're going to look to buy the box back up. What's in the box? All right, last one, guys, oil. Let's get to it. Then I want to answer your questions because really I'm here for you. So this thing was very bullish overnight. You can see, look at this, right? It was very bullish overnight and then ran up to, what did it hit? 91 overnight, and then it sold back down, back up. So it's about a $2 range right now. Oh, look at it spiking. Holy cow. Guys, when oil does this, look at that. When oil does this, there's a catalyst. There's an announcement. Go check Trump tweet somebody and let me know what was just said. So there you go. All right. But anyway, Oil up, dollar up, gold down, guys. Look at that. Something was done. I don't have time to research it, guys. Go find it for me. Gold spot. All right, let's look at your questions, guys. Let's look at your questions. All right, YouTube. You took a short at 45.40. Nice job. And oil or gold, yeah. You just got paid. Look at this, guys. The primary read paid. I showed you one fail, but 80 to 85% of these are all wins. You know, it's funny because you guys see me do the Matrix reels about how successful it is, and then people click the link. Do you know how many hate DMs I get? My God, it's $89 a week. How fucking dare you? I have the ability to make thousands and thousands of dollars every day, and you're going to charge me $89? Can't help you guys. It's not going to ever get cheaper, and no, I'm not doing a free trial. It's that strong. Can you imagine me owning a Formula One race car and you going, well, I just want to test drive it? No, buy the fucking thing first. All right. Yeah, DeFi Ducks at 81% win rate this week with it, or this month with it. Look at Omar, says he's been funded multiple times because of it. Ryan, the Iran stops message exchange between U.S. and protest against Zionist crimes. Yep. I'm not going to be on it, guys, but see if you can catch 4,500 for a bounce here for 10 points. Look what happened. It almost got to 4,502, and that's already 10-point bounce. All right, let me get over here to Instagram. So stay tuned here, guys. I got a couple announcements. Stay tuned. You know, I sound like a sarcastic asshole about it sometimes, but you don't understand how much money, time, and energy that is put into it between Harsh and I building this thing out, and how powerful it is. And then people demand it be free. Do you know how absurd that is? We talked about gold. Hey, Harsh, friend request Rob Sangster and get that issue worked out on Instagram DM, if you would. Rob Sangster, yep. What about spot for gold? Let's go look at it. So what you want to do is the correlated price difference between the two of them right here. It is 82, 18, and 29 points difference. So it has cleared the box, right? So it fell out of this mean reversion level. So if it comes back up, taps 4,500, it might be another short, which is going to be close to the exact same drop here. So this is right now, this is the tail wagging the dog, because you're getting future support, which will also drive that price. You know what? I didn't. Let me look. No, what day? What am I doing here? It's in. I don't have the right chart for it. I forget what the buy zone was for it. Let me see if I can find my right chart for it. Give me 1 second. Also, guys. Oh wow. Iran shot down a drone. Guys, another announcement here as I look up UUU. I'm live Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time doing my pre-market report, but I'm going to have another new live time. 11 a.m., so 2 hours later, after my war room, I'm going to be live on Alpha Beta Report with Crypto John, and we're going to answer your question. You guys want to hear from this guy. You think I'm sharp? This guy is super sharp. He and I have the same education level. Make sure Alpha Beta Report is on right now. Go follow them because you won't get the live reports if you want to do that. So you're going to have me twice for free help. So make sure. Let me just find out here. There you go. Alpha Beta Report just said follow us. Make sure you go follow their Instagram, guys, because that's where I'll be live. Monday through Friday morning at 9, I'll be on Student Alpha. At 11 a.m., I'll be over with the Alpha Beta Report, guys, going live on their Instagram. Make sure you go follow them. All right, what else we got here, guys? Also, VIPs. We got a special guest coming today. It's going to be exciting. I'm pumped. So you want to be in the war room. If you're not in the war room, click the link in my bio to do our 7-day free trial. It's going to be pretty exciting. Okay, so I said I was going to do this chart on UUU. Hang on a second. I have it charted on another chart. Bum, bum, bum. Give me a second. All right, let's do it this way. There it is. See? All right. It's still in the trade plan. My last trade plan was a buy, around 16 to 17, or run it to the all-time high anchored VWAP at 20. And if that clears, you can run it up higher. So there's UUU. Nuclear is going to be strong, guys, because with this administration, that is what is going to drive all this AI stuff. All right. Iran halts the communicate. I think oil to $100. We're going to see $100 then if it keeps being bad news. According to the news, alerts you. Ice Mellow. I trade every day. I'm aware of news. But what you're asking is, I'm not saying those would be the best days, Ice Mellow. I'm just saying those are data dumps that'll move the market. Initial jobless claims and non-farm payroll. You always want to know, and I think for most funded traders or prop firm traders, those are also red folder news, so you got to be aware of that. I don't trade prop firms. I have in the past just to learn it to help guys out. I don't like it, but in our war room, guys, we have an expert on them prop firm kid. And guys, my VIPs, we're opening up Asian sessions. Let's go! More time with experts, guys. Bringing more value to my VIPs. DeFi Duck, did you get in gold? Nice job. If you grabbed 05, you're a savage. That's great. So what Nino did is I trained my guys to buy anywhere in this bottom part of the zone. It looks like he triggered at 05. You got 10 there. Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy. You should be break even right now. All right, guys. Hey, I got to go because I got to get my special guest set up. Remember, Alpha Beta Report. Go follow so you guys get me free on Fridays. All right, go follow Alpha Beta Report. And then free Discord. Come join my VIP. I'll be back tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. There you go, Alpha Beta Report. See them right on the chat box. Click that profile and go join us. All right. Good luck today, guys.